how to add custom code to GoDaddy. So what I've done is I've just logged into my GoDaddy account. We want to click on our name in the top right and then go to my products. From here, it's going to load up a list of all of our subscriptions that we have. Scroll down until you see websites plus marketing. Left click on it. And you want to find your subscription that has the website editor. So for me, it's this one that I'm currently using the free trial of. Click on manage. And then it's going to load up a new page here for the website. And you will be able to see this edit website section. Click on edit website and it's going to load up the GoDaddy website editor. Now, if we want to add custom code here to our website, what we're going to do is we're going to find a section adder here. So you will see add section in between these two, or depending on your website. So click on the plus sign and it's going to ask us what section we want to add. Here we will search for HTML and it's going to give us this option, embed custom code on the page. If we add this, add again here, it's going to show us a section. So code will render here. And here's where we paste our custom code on our GoDaddy website. So just copy your code, paste it right here, and it's going to automatically update. As you can see, I've added custom code from Canva here, and it has added my design. It has embedded my HTML code into GoDaddy. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.